Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I've actually posted the Abam Arochukwu road construction video here on my channel, but I didn't post everything. So this is another section of the road that I haven't posted, or maybe I might have posted it while I was going, but then maybe this is the one I recorded on my way back. So you can see this particular side has not been asphalted, but you would notice that everything that will be done before asphalt is going to be done on this road. This particular section has been done, stone base, and serious work is actually going on here. So if you're traveling from Umuahia and you are going to Arochukwu, it's no longer the way it used to be some years ago. You understand? The road is now very good, very okay, and the quality of the road, bro, is something that, you know, we need this type of quality of road all over Abia State, everywhere. Well, we thank God that government actually remembered this road and then started fixing it, and it's almost done. The job is almost done. And over there is the rice farm. They have a lot of rice farms here in Arochukwu, plantain plantations. You know, I checked online and I got to, you know, understand through what I read online and through what I saw here with my own eyes that Arochukwu is among the places in Abia State that produces, you know, most of the food that we eat in this state. So you could see palm trees, you could see, like, the road is just something else. You know, beside the road you'll be seeing farms, you'll be seeing bushes, and like the way everywhere is just green. It's just beautiful. So guys, just watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. This part of the road now, as you are seeing on your screen, has already been asphalted. Like, they don't already potted for this side now where would you drive upon, you understand? And guys, this village, you know, is very calm, very calm. I don't know, that could be a bus stop there where you can just stay and wait for, you know, a motor going to Umuahia or going inside Arochukwu. You know, this is not the town part where you see, you know, fine houses. This is the village area, and the drainage you are seeing is still open. We don't know if they are going to cover it. They might decide to cover it later, I don't know. But the good thing is that the drainage is on the both sides of the road. You know, at least it's going to help to make whenever it rains, the rain is going to dry up, no flooding. It's going to make this road to last longer. But if it's just the drainage that they just do one side of the road, you know, they two make sense. But this one at the two sides, 90 day, you understand? So just watch this video down to the end. Tell me what you think in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. I'm going to get to Ndi Okereke here in Abam. So if you are from Ndi Okereke, just watch this video down to the end. Even if you're not from Ndi Okereke but you want to see how Ndi Okereke looks like, you can still watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think about, you know, road projects going on in Abia State. What do you think about the quality? What do you think about road projects going on all over Abia State? You can tell us in the comment section. This road is actually this is the longest roads under construction that I have drove through in Abia State. The longest that I've, you know, drove through. Well, I don't know if there is any other road under construction in Abia State that is longer than this one. If there is, you can tell me in the comment section. But for me, I believe this is the longest one that I have driven. Oh, no. I think the Umuahia to Umuahia road that, you know, was completed, I think sometime this year, or was it last year? It's also very long ago. It's also very long. I haven't even got to the end of where that road, you know, where it stopped. But then maybe that's where I'm going to go next when I start you know, moving around again. I think that's the place I'm going to visit next. I'm going to go to Umuahia next and show you guys how Umuahia looks like in 2025.